So it's starting to rain enough to where I'm deciding to put this thing on. It's hard putting it on when you're already wet because it's so sticky. And these ones from 7-Eleven, they're not as strong, so you have to be careful not to rip the damn thing. You know, honestly, riding 12 hours a day wouldn't be that bad if it was just perfect weather, right? But then when it's raining and you gotta get gas like every 2 hours, you know, that's the other thing. And then riding with this thing on is no fun because it's flapping and blowing, and you know, it's just, it makes it a challenge. And people are like, well, what are you trying to do, dog? And I try to think, what's my next move? What's my next move? What's something that would make a good story? What's something that people would say, yo, this brother Jose is crazy, dog? What's something I could do to say, well, if that brother Jose did that, then I could at least do this in my life, you know? So right now, I'm not sure. I'm just riding. I'm just gonna ride and see how far I can ride, homie. I got my music. I got money in my pocket for gas and lodgings. I'm good to go, homie. I got God. I don't need anything else, baby. Let's do this. Yo, I look humor wearing this thing. I know I look funny, but it's all good, man. I'm just like a little kid in this little raincoat. I just need my little rubber boots and I'm good to go, homie. Alright, I got gas. My stuff's right there. And I'm just chilling under this thing. It's been sprinkling, kind of raining off and on. It's cold as crap, but I see other people waiting for the rain to pass. I'm just gonna chill. You know, in Phuket, I said many times I've never been cold in Thailand. I've been cold a few times. And as much as I don't want to dig through that bag, I'm going to get my damn jacket because I'm standing here cold. Alright, so I went to that 5-star. They ain't had no chicken. They got these balls. I don't know what this is. I just look at it as like some like processed chicken fish balls. I don't know if it's chicken or fish or whatever it is. As long as I got a diet soda to wash it down, it's all good. Alright, I never feed dogs, but this one looked like it's a mom, so I'm gonna feed this dog. There you go. I wish you the best, man. I hope your little puppies, you gotta make some milk to feed those dogs. Alright, when we started this morning at like 4:30 or something, it said about almost 21 hours. Now it's saying 13 hours. If we drive about 3 more hours, then we're halfway there. What originally was gonna take 5 days, could I do it in 2 days? Nah, I'm just gonna do it in 3 days because I'm gonna drive almost half today, a big chunk tomorrow, and then the last bit, the 3rd day, is when I'm gonna be recording and flying the drone. So that shit's gonna take, that's the curvy part, the cool part, so I'm gonna take my time on that part. But yeah, it's good we made a lot of time today. So I'm gonna eat this ice cream and drink this coffee, and I'm gonna give it one last go. And I guess we're gonna drive through Bangkok, so we might have to drive over the big bridge on the motorbike. It'd be pretty cool. Try to record it with the camera, look cool and stuff, you know? Look cool. Alright, I was talking to my babe and I just realized I look like hell. I've been riding that damn motorbike all day and I got like 3 hours of sleep. I need to get some damn rest. I think I'm gonna look for a room by here. Alright, I had to come to this 7-Eleven because it's the only place that I can think of where I could get food for sure. I went to this other, looked like a restaurant. I went in there and I said, King Cow, I think that means eat food. They were like, no, no, no. They were putting their like hands over their faces. Like, I guess I don't know if you can only do takeout. I'm assuming maybe we're like in a dark red zone and they got so many restrictions. You can't eat in restaurants. Some places don't even sell alcohol. I heard the 7-Elevens close at 8, so it's ridiculous. Alright, I got the goods here. It's starting to rain, but it says the hotel's only 1 kilometer. So hopefully it's not gonna rain too hard. I left my raincoat inside the hotel, so brother's gonna learn, homie. My brother got soaked, man. But you know what? If that's really all the hard rain I'm gonna get all day today, I'm really grateful because I've been on the road for like 12 hours and it only rained a little bit in the beginning, and I couldn't have made it this far if it was raining. So I thank the Lord. I could have been dealing with this all day. Honestly, I'm tired. My face is swollen. I'm just gonna eat. I don't even want to edit video. I just want to go to bed. Can you guys hear how hard it's raining out there? I'll just take a nice hot shower, eat, and get in bed. Man, look at that, dog. Coming down, homie. But when you put yourself in situations, you're grateful for things that might not seem that great, like this microwave 7-Eleven meal. I'm very grateful for it right now.